You are welcome to my channel. Click on Continue. Number 1. Copy the text in the description box. Then click on number 1 to copy the caption. Carefully go to your X and create a post using those two texts. This is your X, formerly known as Twitter. Now create a post using the positive sign below. Now paste the copied text from the description box. Now give space and paste the copied text from number 1 Sunwaves application. Good. You can post now. Go to your profile and view your last post. Copy the link of the last post following the arrow below. Good. Now go to your Sunwave application. Confirm. Now paste the copied Twitter link and verify. Congratulations, your announcement has been verified. Remember to subscribe and like this video.